everybody, my name is Quinn. Today we are playing Seagulls, and this is a game where you become a little animal, like a fish. As you see, we are a fish right now, and then just go around and go eat people. Oh no, there's this guy who's chasing us. Okay, we gotta go there. And no, there's a crab. Oh, look out for the crabs. And yeah, basically, stronger people will eat you, let's say, and the shark is the highest level of stuff. Yeah, that's how it works. Okay, that's how nature works. You know, like the food cycle. If you ever been to school, okay, this guy's scared of me already because we can eat this guy straight away. And yeah, let me kill him first for just a second. Okay, I can't kill him now. So, what special abilities does this crab have? I don't know. But let's just go ahead, okay? And we're going to be upgrading our crab pretty soon. And I'll see you guys in a few minutes. So guys, we're just hiding in this bush right here because there are some weird squids that are chasing me around, and I nearly got eaten like 2 times or 3 times, I forgot. And yeah, and as you see at this down the bar down below, we are almost going to be upgrading our crab to a new level. You hear me? And there's a seagull just passed by. Okay, so let's chase this fish. Come on, come back here. Let me get you. Oh no, there's a weird stingray right there. Look out! We gotta look out. We gotta go. We gotta look out. Okay, there's another squid right there. So just beware of it. And yeah, being in the sea can be really dangerous. And yeah, let's just gonna eat all of this. And we are now a squid, and yeah, and then we can do this. And then once you do that, these people can see me and I can kill everybody. And I'm killing this fish already. Come on, fish, come back here. Fish, you are a scrawny. Yes, I ate the fish. Ha! Fish are so nice to me. I don't even know if squids actually eat. Oh crap! I can eat a crab. I can eat a crab. Ugh! Let me eat this crab right here. I want to eat him so bad. I'm really hungry. Let's find more squids to eat. Can we eat people now? Nope, we can't freaking eat people. I want us to eat people. I want us to eat people all the time. This crab's just trying to eat people. Oh, seagull! Oh, it's Trump! Oh, and I'm a piece of poo-poo. Okay, let's go. There's something really cool about this game I want to show you guys. But I don't even know if I should show you guys. I will show you guys pretty quickly first. Yeah, because it's pretty cool. Once we get our boost, I will show you guys. There we go. Our boost is right here. Wait. You know, I could just sweep the seeds with bed. I'm a bed sweeper. I'm a cleaner. Oh yeah. Oh hell yeah. I want to get everybody. Oh, these people are so hard to kill, you know? Did I just kill a fish? It's gonna be fun. Killing fish is nice. Okay, I just got the boost back, and I'm just gonna show you guys quickly right after I get these food right here, and then I will show you guys the magical post. And I also want to try to get to the. He said, "Go away." Nope. Okay, so he doesn't know I'm here because I am now invisible, and then a few minutes later, he's gonna come out here, and I'm gonna, oh, that was so close. Okay, let's try to go to the edge. Stay still. No way! We died! So guys, apparently I am a seagull right now. I don't know why, because I just ate a bunch of meat. And I'm flying right now. How great is it? I can't believe it. Flying is so great and yeah, I'm flying upside down, and something just came out of my aim. Okay, stay in here and fly peacefully. Nobody's gonna kill us, and we're gonna stay here and poop. Okay, let's fly back down and let's hunt for some food. Oh no! Fly! Oh, that was so close. Oh my god, that was really intense. You know what I want to do? I'm just gonna kind of find the island a second, because on the island I can kind of rest and not fly. You know, I don't always like flying. You know though. You know, I don't actually always like flying. How is this guy killing me? I don't understand. That's not supposed to happen. You know, it's not. Oh no, he nearly killed me. I don't understand. How is he supposed to kill me? I'm a bird, right? Oh my god, there's a giant Nemo over there. Huh! I just ate a fish thing, you know? And let's kill this crab right here. Ha! Ha! Come on! Ha! And I ate his meat. Nice. Can we eat people now? Nope. Let's dive down and eat this fake Dragas guy. Ha! Dyke! Let's go. No, we have to go back up. We're losing oxygen. Oh! Oh! Come back down, Dragas. You're fake news. This guy isn't Dragas, I'm pretty sure. And just ate his meat. Yeah. I'm pretty sure people who call themselves YouTuber names, except for me, because I am a YouTuber, they're fake, okay? Don't believe in them, okay? Let's kill this crab. Psych, and I'm not gonna kill you, buddy. Oh, it's a shark. Ooh, you were a bird. Alright. Did a bird just die in the water? Can you seriously make babies and weird things? Huh, I want to kill the squid. Come on. Let me kill the squid. Okay, he's good. So that's bad. Oh, I found the island. And you know what? Why are there crabs on the island? I don't understand, but I'm just getting tons of food here. I'll just see you guys in a minute. Oh my god, they're just suiciding for me. Oh my god, this is so... I'm dying! No way! What? So sad I'm back at being a squiddo. This is really bad. It's the worst thing I've ever done in my life, but being a squiddo. You know, squid? Being a weird squiddo. This is just weird. Like, why would I want to be a squid? Yes, I just ate some food. And let's kill Nemo. Again. We have to kill all those Nemos again. I just want to be a seagull. So guys, we are back at being a stinky seagull. I'm just thinking, how are we supposed to level up actually as a seagull? It's gotta take like a long time, I guess. Being a seagull is a hard thing, man. It's like so hard to level up and stuff, right? Like, you can't really eat so many sea creatures and stuff, you know? Like, you always get like... But seagulls are... What?! So we are back at being a little squid like this, and and yeah, we're just going around town and eating people, and I'm just gonna do some gameplay because there isn't much I can do in this game. I'm pretty bad at this, so yeah, that's why. Oh, and there's a buttfish there. That's weird. Buttfish. Okay. Oh my god, I died. Yay. Okay, so we're back at being a crab now, and yeah, I'm just gonna do a bunch of gameplay. And yeah, this game isn't too, like, there aren't much things that are different in this game. Like, there aren't much difference in plays and stuff. Like in D.io, let's say, not D.io, D.df.dfio, let's say. Because you guys maybe don't understand, DFBO is, I think, is a better game than this game, but this game has good graphics, and yeah, it just doesn't have like good playing things. And probably I'll play Oceana.io. It's a really fun game, and yeah, Oceana.io is definitely a choice for me. Oceana.io is a nice game, like, it has good content and stuff, right? You know, like, yeah, Oceana.io is good content. Yeah, good content. And I just added a strategy by sticking to these beaver pots. You can kind of do more stuff. And also, crabs you can get on land. Oh no, the beaver is coming! God damn, that guy has to block me. So like this, and then the seagulls will come and eat you for some reason. And yeah, and if you're being a seagull, you can also eat berries, and we just died again. Okay, so we are back here, and I wonder if you're a shark, you can eat humans, if I'm right. Scientist man, like this guy, just now I saw him, he was like a crab guy, but now he's like grown already. You know what I mean? Okay, that guy just ate some food. And I found out that meat gives you the most XP. And how I upgrade to Seagull that quickly is that because I ate some of those meats that were like not eaten by anybody. And eating fish don't do you like anything, I guess. Yeah. The game just wanna give the fish a chance, you know? Like, I wanna give them a chance to survive. But this guy won't take the chance. There's a guy caught on his tail, and yeah. So I also found out like most of the crabs, they like to stay on the bottom of the sea. And yeah, this is another squid chasing me right here. Let's juke him a bit. Oh no, it's not working. One more shot and I'm dead. And I'm dead. So we are back at being a Nemo fish now for some reason. This is boring though. And yeah, and we're going to be upgraded to a crab fish soon. Yeah. In a few seconds. Yeah, there we go. We're a crab now. And yeah, we can't really do much things now. You know. Also some more things I want to say about this game. I just want to show you guys something that is really cool. You swim up, and you can, it doesn't obey the laws of physics though, I mean like biology. You can fly out the water like this. And we probably flew like so far already, I guess. And anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you watched the video, and if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Wow.